Hey unicorns, it's me Rachel, back at it again with more videos. And last video I said that I wasn't gonna make any more slime videos because it's kind of dead, but guess what, I'm back with a video that is a part of the series of like trying slimes without glue. And today's episode we're gonna be trying slime with sugar and soap. Okay, so this is very interesting. I saw this on JSHDIY, which a lot of people, hate on him because like apparently his recipes are fake or something. So we're gonna test it out and see how it goes. Let's get started. So what we will be needing for this slime recipe is a container, which I'm using this glass thingy. I should have never done that. And we also have the spoon, this mini spoon. A lot of people always comment and be like, oh, it's so cute. Yeah, I don't even know where it came from, but yeah, there it is. And we're also going to be needing this soap, which is Dial soap. It's a hand soap. This appeared in my previous video, and obviously this is from the dollar store, as I said, because I'm cheap and I'm broke, so yeah. And I'm also gonna try it with another soap if it doesn't work, which is soft soap. And this one is also from the dollar store because I'm not wasting money, bro. Okay. And then we have sugar, which I have in this jar, mason jar thingy. And I swear it's sugar. Look at it, it's sugar. I use, oh my god. I'm sorry. Okay. And then we're also going to be using, this is optional, but I'm going to use this glitter. Guess where it's from? It's a shocker. The dollar store. And then we have our last one. He put it in, I don't really know if you need to, but he put in baking soda, so we're, calm down. Okay, we're gonna put in baking soda. So yeah, okay, we're gonna start. Okay, so first up, I don't know what's on this. This is concerning. Probably some slime. You know, I hope that's relatable. And so first, we're gonna put our Dial soap. This is the scent. It smells really good, but I don't have that much left because obviously, I totally use so much of it. So we're gonna put a lot, not a lot in, but like a decent amount in. That's about, oh my god, it smells so good. Why am I crying? Oh, it's, sorry, okay, I'm okay. So I have put in some, not that much actually, that was kind of disappointing. We should put more. I think this, what is this called? The squeezy thing is broken, so that's good enough. Okay, so here is how much I put in. Not that much because I'm not using all my soap on this recipe. So we're gonna give it a nice stir first. Oh, that scrapey sound, we all love it, you know. Okay, I'm gonna add my glitter now because why not? This color is really pretty. I'll just put in that much. That's good. And here it is. Oh wow, look at that. Magical, majestical. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna zoom in a little so you guys can get a good shot. Okay, and the next step is to add some sugar. I don't know why I'm still crying. I'm just gonna, oh wow, look at my hand. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. I don't know how much, just like a pinch kind of. Okay, that was kind of dangerous. I think I added too much. I'm gonna mix it. I don't think anything's happening, to be quite honest. I'm sorry if this triggers you, the sound of like scraping. Okay, that's great. Okay, anyways, now we're gonna add in some baking soda because maybe this will help out. There it is, and we're gonna mix that in too. And the next step is to add, put this in the fridge for half an hour, I think. So yeah, I'll be back. Oh no, I won't be back. We're gonna try the next soap out. Alrighty, so the next one nothing happened. We're gonna try with soft soap, which is, this one's clear, so I feel like it'll be pretty. Honestly, I feel like sometimes these soap recipes don't work for me. I'm kind of sad about it. Why is the lighting so bad? Oh my goodness. Come on. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, anyway, so we're going to put in our soft soap inside of this. I'll pour it out. I don't know how much to put in. Okay. Because, like, I'm always skeptical of these recipes, so I don't want to use too much. Okay. And, okay, so next step, we're going to also add glitter. Where's the glitter? Oh, there it is. We're going to add in our same glitter because I don't have any other glitter. Well, I do, but it's too far away. And I'm lazy, so. Okay, that's good enough. Wow, look how pretty that is. Why am I crying at everything? Oh my god. And we're going to mix that together. I don't know how soft soap is going to work with this sugar slime. Honestly, I don't know if anything works. I'm just bad at making everything. Anyways, now we're going to add in our special sugar. I feel like I should add a little less. I'll add in a little, like almost less than a pinch. And now we're going to mix that together. Once again, don't know if anything's happening. I feel like it got more liquidy. Oh. Well, this is fun, guys. And now we're going to add some baking soda. See what happens. I'm losing hope for this slime. It's like kind of the same texture as before. Maybe I should mix, I don't know if I should mix it more. I feel like I don't want it too air bubbly though. Okay, look at that liquidness. Okay, this is fun. Okay, anyways, so we're also gonna put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. So I'll be back. I'm gonna show you guys something I made while we wait for this slime to get colder. This is a slime that I made just out of the different hand soaps that I've showed today, and salt, I think. I don't really know if this is going very well. Honestly, it's cool. I feel like these like recipes without glue are really fun to make, but in the end they always don't work for me, and it makes me so sad. Probably wasting so much money, but it's fine. It's totally fine. But just look at that. Like, I feel like it just, I think I ruined it, but what if I just mix it really fast? Okay, you saw nothing. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, and we're gonna go check on our slime. So here is the first one. This is the pink one that we made with the dial soap. And this time, I don't know where my spoon went, so I'm gonna use a fork. And let's mix it. Let's zoom in. Whoa, okay. You know, actually, I feel like it's not bad, but I feel like, okay, I might have to put it in the fridge longer. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad. It's very jello-y. Okay. Now we're gonna try touching it. Oh, hey. It actually feels really nice. Oh my god. Wait, it's actually kind of working. Like, it's not really sticking that much. Like, a little bit, but I thought it would be worse. It feels really like a jiggly slime. Okay, it is a little wet, but it's not like as bad as I thought. Here, let me give you. Hold on. I need to pull up in my ring light a little closer. It's really dark. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I would say it's like fine. This one, the dial soap one, is like not bad. Maybe if I leave it in the fridge a little longer, I think it might be better. So that's my tip for you, I guess. But so far, not horrible. Like, I can touch it. It feels like jello, but it's not like super like slimy as soap, you know. You can kind of see glitter all over me and stuff. I'll use my ring. So look, if I touch it, there's nothing on it. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. It's a prank. Yeah, it kind of sticks. I would give it like a like a 5 out of 10. The next one we're gonna check out is the one we made with soft soap. As you can see, this pink splotch is the Dial soap went in. But anyways, we're gonna see how this turned out. Why is the lighting so bad today? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. Oh no. Okay, so we're gonna clump it. Oh, actually, no. Oh, no. It's really, really jello-y. Do you see this? It's like jiggle. It's like, okay. It's not really, I don't know if it's working very well, to be honest, this soft soap one. Let me touch it. Oh yeah, that's not very good. Oh god, this one's really bad. It's way worse than the other one. Just look at it, okay? Well, there's glitter, but it's like more soft. Oh yeah, it's definitely not slime. This is a little disappointing. Please give me tips on how I can make it better if you made it before and it actually worked, because I can't make it. And yeah, it's kind of sad. This one's pretty good though. Like, I would play with, I guess. I can touch it. It feels nice. It just sticks a lot on you, and I don't think that's what slime's supposed to do. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. I feel it's pretty much a fail video, but if you have tips, please give me some. If you have cool recipes for slime without glue, comment down below. And yeah, so please subscribe, like, and comment. I mean, like, like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Unicorn Squad. And yeah, look forward for the next video, I guess, because I have more ideas to come about slime once again, because I have no other ideas. And I'm uncreative, so yeah. Unicorns out.